flowing element. Water. Where water flows and wade its floods. It has also always attracted me. Many a river in the sand of the shore. I often found my tracks. Friedrich Kuster. The flowing element. Water. What would life be without it? The answer is, it would not be there. It would not be on this planet. Water is a basic condition for life, as we know it, is only possible through water. Only a very small part of all water on Earth is fresh water. The far greater part is bound in the oceans. Drinking water is even a very precious commodity. Some pay a fortune only to cover their daily water supply. It is a precious gift of nature. Water is not only essential, it is also fascinating. This book shows a mirror image of the wet element in a journey through the waters of the earth, which in their nature cannot be more different. There are among them many famous rivers, but also many unnamed and unknown waters. At the end there is a portrait of the water that is as vivid as that wonderful wet element itself. Written and published by Friedrich Kuster. On Books on Demand, Germany.